Let's now take a look at how we can change the numeric asset. Now, in a martingale process, we said that we can choose a particular asset G as a numeric asset. But that G can be any asset. There's no asset that is so special that it has to be the numeric asset. So you can basically use any asset as a numeric asset. Now suppose you initially use G as a numeric asset. And you want to take a look at the what a new martingale process will be if you happen to choose another asset, H, as a numeric asset. Okay, so to do that, let's say initially if you use G as a numeric asset, your process under that world is that any asset df will have a process df, which will start with risk-free rate plus this risk premium here, which is, as mentioned earlier, we use lambda g, basically is lambda gi here. It's basically sigma gi as the risk price times volatility here, right? But if you use H as a numeric asset, in that world, the asset F will follow this process, which is with a drift of R risk-free rate plus this risk premium here, which is using lambda H as the risk price. Now, if you look at it, this part is all the same under both. So the difference between these two processes really happens here at the drift part of it. So moving from one numeric asset G to the other numeric asset H, the change of the process is really the change of a drift in this particular form here. So you're switching the risk price from G to H. So you have to add the difference here from the risk premium, risk price G to risk price H. And that difference multiplied by the risk you have here is the total change of drift that move you from this process using G as a numerator to this process that where H is used as a numerator. So if your asset F is following this process, then F divided by H is a martingale process. If you're before your asset F divided by G under this process for asset F is a martingale. Now you move from this martingale world to this martingale world here. So by changing the drift, you have created a new process for your asset F such that under which F divided by G, sorry, in this case, F divided by H is a martingale.